back to normal.
Yeah.
Here we are.
Earrings are sharp. We're in sharp.
We're in sharp, yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
This is
Rob.
Nadia.
Hi.
And
welcome back to Egg Week in the Rob and Nadia channel. Last video, we made two types of hollandaise sauce. The traditional whisking,
yeah,
testing the temperature with our hands, and that was fun. And then we did the sort of instant, put it in the blender and make instant sauce, and it's also really good and it takes like seconds. So meanwhile, we got a whole bunch of egg whites left. So
we decided to do a meringue series because one, we have all these egg whites left over, and two, we didn't realize there are different types of meringues. Did you?
Well, I've heard, we watch a lot of baking shows, and we've heard them talk about French meringue, and
there's Swiss, and then there's Italian, and we were like, what? There's different meringues?
There's different meringues, and they always seem to be doing them for different reasons. So we thought, okay, let's get this figured out.
Yeah, and try it ourselves. And since we have, from the hollandaise shoot, we had 4 egg whites left over. So we figured this would be the perfect time and perfect way to start this meringue series with the 4 egg whites, which is what you need for what we're going to make today.
Which is?
The French meringue, and we're going to make lemon meringue cookies.
So the question is, which came first, the chicken, the egg, or the meringue?
We tried looking up some of the history in our research, and even in history, or historical data, they can't even tell if it was the French or the Swiss that came first. And then the Italians maybe made it better. We're not sure. It's always hard to tell the real history of food because it just goes back past what people wrote down. Yeah.
So now we have 3. We're going to start with the French.
Yep.
And make some delicious cookies.
Yep. For the other videos, so for this one, we're doing meringue cookies. The other 2, I think we'll do a pavlova and then a tart. So it'll be interesting to see.
Yeah.
Because aside from the French meringue, we haven't tested out the other meringues. Yeah, it'll be fun.
See.
Yeah. So what do we need to do before we sign off?
Oh.
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And don't forget to hit the notification bell because then you'll know when our next videos will be coming. And it helps us by creating more videos for you guys and sharing our experiences.
So let's whip some egg whites.
Yeah, let's get to it.
Okay.
The skewer is to line a coloring in the piping bag. A knock. I'm not sure what these are called.
Nozzle?
Nozzle! It's a nozzle. I got one that's a little bit jaggedy, so it gives us a nice pattern. And this piping bag that I have, actually, oopsie. This particular one, because I reused the piping bags, I'm not a big fan of the disposable plastic ones, actually has a plastic coating on the inside, so you can safely put in a lining or a line of the food coloring in here without leaving a stain on the outside or seeping out. So you can reuse this one all the time. And it's also an 18-inch bag. And the reason I got 18-inch bag because the quantity of the meringue is quite a bit. So this way I can fit it all in here and pipe it out. Let's begin. Always make sure your bowl is clean and grease free. Any little bit of fat will prevent the meringue from being made.
So just show me where you're going to pour from.
Pour from here.
Okay, bring it in. Yeah.
Is your room temperature egg whites? Very important. not quite a stiff peak yet. Back on. And see how it coats the skewer. And then, stay in one area, just so it's easier to work with.
You do one.
There we go.
And show me.
That was interesting.
Okay.
We're going to use the spatula. Ready?
Mm-hmm. So pretty.
Feels nice and crispy.
Love the swirl.
Yeah, I think I could have spread the coat a little better, but it looks good.
I think it looks good.
Give it a taste.
Feels good.
Yeah.
Mmm. Nice crunch. Mmm. Ooh, you got one that was a little bit chewy.
I was supposed to say this one's a bit chewy.
Mmm. Mmm. This one has just a little chew inside too.
Which is the way you like it.
Which is really nice. Hold on. Listen to that. That's a snap.
Mm-hmm. Mmm. The smaller ones are just crunch.
Right.
And the big ones are more chew, so...
Good balance.
Yeah. We played around with it. All right.
Beauty. And so.
I think we'll just go finish these off.
French meringue.